Good morning, dear students. Today I will be discussing on two small theories in solid dielectric material or solid medium. One is electrochemical breakdown and the other one is drying and tracking. So, what is electrochemical breakdown? So, actually, it is related to the thermal breakdown. That means it is somewhat similar to thermal breakdown. And electrochemical deterioration is due to the presence of mobility of ions, so which are responsible for leakage current and energy losses in material. Some deteriorations will going to occur in electrochemical breakdown because of the chemical action which is taking place in the material or a solid material. And nothing but a mobility of ion, that is a moment of ions which are responsible for leakage current and energy losses in the materials. And the electrochemical deterioration is due to the presence of mobility of ions uh, which are responsible for leakage current and energy losses in material is nothing but some unwanted materials or some unwanted ions will be present in that. So those unwanted ions will cross the barriers, so which leads to a electrochemical breakdown. So in presence of air and gases due to the chemical reactions, so with insulating materials dielectric strength will going to affect. So due to this, the oxidation with some air and ozone will takes place. That is, rubber is oxidized with ozone and cracks in the pressure of the ozone. And also due to the presence of moisture and water particles, and also when it comes in contact of different insulating materials with each other in any practice. That is what the electrochemical breakdown is. The next is the drying and tracking. So since the breakdown is not caused by a single discharge channel, so and assumes a tree like structure, it is known as a breakdown due to drying. And the next is tracking, is the formation of permanent conducting path, usually carbon, across the surface of insulation. So you can have a look at the picture, then you will going to then you will understand that concept. This is what the drying. When you apply any voltage, higher voltages, so it will break like this. The weaker section will collapse first. This is the weaker section in a solid material. This is the weaker section compared to this, the center part. This is the weaker section. When you apply the high voltages, it will collapse or it will deteriorate. This is similar to that of train. Look at this. That is what the definition is. Caused due to the breakdown is not caused by the single discharge channel and assumes a tree-like structure. It is a tree-like structure. That's why it is called as tree. And tracking is the formation of permanent conducting path, usually carbon surface of insulation. It is a permanent path. These are the permanent paths. It is tree like a structure, and these are the permanent paths. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this, the paths will create. So when for example, when two electrodes separated by an insulating materials and it is assembled in the outdoor environment, so one contaminants in the form of moisture or dust particles will get deposited on the surface of insulation, and leakage current starts between the electrode through the contaminants, for example the moisture. And also the current heats the moisture and causes breaks in the moisture films. In this case, current also heats the moisture. These small films then act as electrodes and sparks are drawn between the films. That's these two films. And the carbonization and volatilization. I think you have studied the carbonizations of insulation. That means the heating up of an element of insulating materials, elements and the insulating materials. So that will lead to a formation of permanent carbon tracks on the surface of the insulators or insulation materials. That is what the drying and tracking is. And this is a small topic in solid dielectric materials. So the partial discharge are defined as the internal discharge which cause the breakdown of voids or cavities. That means voids or cavities means the holes or the valence bands or the gaseous pockets, and which have the same effects of traying on insulating materials. For example, when voltages are applied, when you are going to apply voltages on solid material, due to the capacitance action, charges are induced in the voids, that means in the holes. Voltage due to the electric field are developed in the voids. So whenever voltage of void reaches the breakdown strength of void material, the breakdown will going to occur. That is what the partial discharge is. And some of the effects are there. So the effects of partial discharge on the insulating material is same as that of traying. So we have observed the traying mechanism, or the solid material, how it affects when you apply in a high voltage. It looks like a traying. That is what they are saying. So during the discharge, heat is generated. The heat carbonizes the material of the specimen in contact of void, and thus of erosions. Erosions means some metal extractions. Some material alignments. So those are nothing but the erosions. In general, erosion is totally different. In general, the erosion is different. Here we are talking about the alignment. Next is the chemical degradation. The chemical degradation also takes place in this, and with the result, thickness of insulation will be reduced. And during this partial discharge, charges are induced in the voids. The charged particles have sufficient energy to break the chemical bonds of dielectric specimen. And this is about the partial discharge. And this is the end of topic, that is breakdown in solid dielectric material or solid insulating material. Thank you.